Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a cadence sensor to your Garmin device. First, ensure your cadence sensor has a fresh battery installed, as this is crucial for proper function. Next, securely attach the sensor to your bike's crank arm, following the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, power on your Garmin device and keep it within a few feet of the sensor to facilitate the initial pairing process. This quick setup ensures a smooth connection. Now, let's get your Garmin device to recognize the sensor. On your Garmin, navigate to the main menu and find the Sensors option. From there, select Add Sensor and then choose Cadence from the list of available sensor types. Your Garmin will then begin searching for nearby cadence sensors. Keep the devices close, and it should detect your sensor within a few seconds, preparing for the next step. Once your Garmin detects the sensor, you'll see it listed as connected on the screen. To confirm it's working, gently spin your bike's crank arm a few times. You should immediately see cadence data, like revolutions per minute, appear on your Garmin display. If you encounter any issues, double-check the sensor's battery, its placement on the crank arm, and ensure your Garmin is within a close range of 1 to 2 feet. These steps usually resolve most connection problems. Connecting a cadence sensor offers significant benefits for your cycling. It provides real-time data on your pedaling efficiency, helping you maintain a consistent pace and optimize your training. Monitoring your revolutions per minute allows you to identify your ideal cadence range, improving endurance and power output. Remember to regularly check your sensor's battery life, perhaps every 6 months, to ensure uninterrupted data collection during your rides. Happy cycling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.